If CapCut is using the wrong graphics card on your Windows PC and you're seeing performance issues, lag, or the app just isn't running the way it should, this quick fix can help. In this video, I'll show you how to force CapCut to use your dedicated GPU instead of the wrong one, so you can get better performance and a smoother editing experience. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes like this. Alright, let's fix it. First, close CapCut completely. Make sure the app is not running in the background because we want Windows to apply the graphics setting properly. Once CapCut is closed, open Windows Settings. You can do this by clicking the Start menu and selecting Settings, or by pressing Windows and I on your keyboard. Inside Settings, go to System, then click Display. Scroll down until you find Graphics. This is the section where Windows lets you choose which GPU each app should use. Once you're in Graphics, look for the section that says Add an app. Click the drop-down menu and choose Desktop app, then click Browse. This will let you manually locate the CapCut program file on your computer. Now find and select CapCut.exe. Depending on how CapCut was installed, it may be in your Program Files folder or in another application folder on your drive. If you're not sure where it is, you may need to search for CapCut.exe in File Explorer. After you select CapCut.exe, it will appear in the list of apps below. Now click the Options or GPU Preference drop-down next to CapCut. Here, choose High Performance. This should point CapCut to your dedicated Nvidia or AMD graphics card instead of the integrated one. Once you've selected High Performance, close Settings. Now open CapCut again and test it out. In many cases, this simple change can improve rendering, playback, and overall editing performance right away. If CapCut was previously struggling because it was using the wrong graphics card, this should help fix that. If you still notice issues, double check that CapCut was added correctly and that the high performance option is selected. You can also restart your computer to make sure Windows fully applies the change. Sometimes a quick reboot makes the new GPU setting take effect properly. And that's it. You've now changed CapCut to use the correct graphics card on Windows. This is one of the easiest ways to improve performance without reinstalling the app or changing anything complicated. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.